Adekolurejo. Quickly, let's talk about why you are not stylish and how to go about it. Yes, everybody wants to look good. That is the fact. Everybody wants to be fashionable. But do you know that majority, they don't know the difference between fashion and style? So let me quickly talk about that. Fashion is what you buy. Style is what you do with it. You can be wearing designer pieces from head to toe and still not be stylish. Simply because style is personal. It is how you interpret fashion to reflect you. So if you are the type that copy trend blindly, you are not stylish. You are just wearing someone else's voice. That is it. So I will be giving you 4 keys why you are not stylish. 4 keys why you are not stylish. Yes. The number 1 is you are not stylish because you don't know your body type. Majority don't know their body type. Yes. Style starts with fit. If your clothes does not complement your body, no matter how expensive they are, you are not stylish. So it is must for you to know your body type. In our next segment, I will be discussing different types of body we have. So when you know your body type, you will know how to go about it. Secondly, you are not stylish because you don't dress with intention. That is it. Ask yourself, what do you want your outfit to speak today? Have you ever asked yourself that? Style is communication. So the way you dress, that is how people will address you. Always dress with intention. Number 3, you are not stylish because you fear standing out. Stop trying to blend in. Stop trying copying people. Be yourself. You own your uniqueness. Let me tell you, style lives in confidence. So be yourself. Number 4, you are not stylish because you don't know color. That is it. If you don't know color, you are not stylish. When you are wearing red, you should know what goes with red. When you are wearing purple, you should know what goes with it. When you are wearing black, you should know the color of the bag or shoe that goes with it. So go and know your body type. Go and know your color. Know how to mix them. That is it. This 4 key is the reason why you are not stylish. Quickly, how do you fix it? The number 1 is know your body type. Like I said, when you know your body type, that is when you will know how to dress with it. So know your body type and dress with it. Secondly, build a signature look. You own your uniqueness. So build a signature look for yourself. Thirdly, know your color. Know your color palette. Know how to mix them. 4th, mix basic with statement. Let them balance. That is it. And the 5th, practice. Yes, you heard me. Practice. Style grows when you practice, because style is a skill. It grows when you try. It grows when you fail. It grows when you refine it. So practice makes perfection. Style is a skill. Practice it. Thank you. So finally, style is not luxury. It's not until when you have millions. No. Style is language. Speak it boldly. Speak it with confidence. Speak it clearly. Because if you don't dress yourself, the world will dress you. Thanks for listening. If this one is helpful, why don't you press the subscribe button? Comment, ask questions, and we attend to it. Share it to others that are still struggling with their style. Yes. So, by next week, we will be discussing about the body types. Make sure you watch and make sure you subscribe. Thank you. I still remain myself, Raphael Adekolurejo.